Okay, we got a 2007 CRV having some problems with air in the system and the brakes. So we're going to replace the calipers. We've already replaced the manifold, or the brake manifold. So but anyway, this bolt here on the side is going to be a 14 millimeter. You got to loosen it, which is not bad to loosen. I already loosened, but it didn't take too much. You want to loosen that a little bit before you take this loose and that loose. That way it's not moving around on you. And we want to get a line lock for the fluid. It's one of these right here. Just clip that. Keep the fluid from dripping and air getting back into the system. You gotta bleed them anyway, but it keeps it from dripping all over. And you'll need some type of flashlight. I like this M12 light. It's pretty cool. It's got a flexible head on it. Runs on 12 volt battery, so it'll fit in a lot of different places where typical flashlights just won't fit. But anyway, we're getting ready to take the rest of it off. Okay, we'll pop these. This is a 14 millimeter caliper. Makes it so much easier with this gun. Awesome. Now here's the old one. Just want to make sure it looks the same as the new one, except the new one needs to be cleaner, obviously, so that looks the same. That's your hole there where the brake fluid goes in, the brake fluid line goes into. There you got the plug there to take out, to put your line in. And if you want to know who makes Honda's calipers, Nissan is the one who is original. These right here I got from Detroit Axle. I've used them before. They're good quality products. There's a box of Detroit Axle. Okay, we're about to take the caliper bracket off. Need a 19 millimeter. This bolt here and this bolt here. Okay, I loosened these up. I had to use a breaker bar for these, so they're really good, but a little bit tighter space. But take these out. You'll be reusing these bolts. They're good bolts. That comes off. And your brake pads are in there. You just switch all that over. Okay, here's the new caliper kit, and it comes with the new springs, and they just, I'll show you, they just pop on like this one did into the little grooves. This It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but the new spring, you take your pad, and if your pad is smooth, you can just swap them over. If they're grooved or whatever, you need to put new ones on. It's kind of hard to do this, but all you do is set these two tabs down on this bottom tab. And it's easier with two hands, obviously, but press down and push in.